Hello, today we're going to talk about coloring your hat elastic. Get a nice clean surface. You want to use your paper towel and you want to get a nice sponge, a wedge, anything that can absorb the foundation. You're going to apply your foundation onto your disc or wedge, whatever you want to use. You're going to lay your foundation between your hands and you want to put that foundation on that elastic front and back over and over again until it's a nice even coat. Now take your time. You want to make sure you get it on there, and you definitely want to make sure you lay it out so that it dries overnight. You don't want to get that foundation on your hat. We're going to get the back side, the front, lay it flat to dry, and then it looks like that when you're finished, front and back. See how nice? Thank you for watching.